Okay, so naming an organic molecule. First, we have our steps on how to name them. We have our prefixes over here. We have our stuff attached, how to name stuff attached off of carbon chains. And we have our ending over here. Okay, try to name this molecule here. A hint is you want to count the longest carbon chain as the backbone. Try it now, and then restart the video for the explanation. So here's the trick, right? We have to count the carbon chain. When we have a bunch of carbons, right, you have to count the longest possible carbon chain. So you have to start counting carbons and figure out which one's the longest. And if we were to follow this path here, we would find that this is the longest carbon chain, equaling 7. Okay? So that's the first trick. So because of 7, step 2 says write down the prefix. The prefix for 7 is hept. Right? Any multiple bonds? Step 3? No. So put the correct ending. Ane. No multiple bonds, all ane. So this is a heptane chain. Write down the location of the multiple bonds. We don't have to do that because they're not there. Number the smallest bonds. Don't have to do that. Step 7, anything sticking off. Yes, there is. This thing here is sticking off. Step 8, ID the name of the thing sticking off. How many carbons are sticking off? 2. 2 carbons are sticking off. So that means the prefix is eth. And because it's a carbon chain sticking off, the ending is -il. So this is an ethyl group sticking off. And then list the names in the smallest order. So the question is which way is the ethyl group sticking off? So when we number, we find that we could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if we number it in the opposite way, we still find that it's coming off of the number 4. So this is a 4 ethyl, right? So now let's stick it all together so we get the correct name. And the name would be 4 ethyl heptane.